wanted to set up a multi-seat machine, and I was looking at GPU prices. So I wanted to determine what was the best deal. So I was looking at a lot of charts and graphs like this. This was the best that I found. It was on pcpartpicker.com. I'll leave the links in the description. So here we can see there's the score, and that's from either optics for NVIDIA or HIP for AMD. And you can see the NVIDIA scores are quite a lot higher, so the score per dollar is also higher. So I got some of the price data all around, but from Newegg and PC Part Picker, and it's kind of just a rule of thumb, so don't weigh it too heavily. There's a bunch of different rendering engines, and some are built in, some are external, and so this is a site that tells you a bit about this. This is the data from Open Blender Benchmark. And then there were some people who were doing fairly extensive studies on this type of data. This was probably one of the best videos that I found on the topic. All these links are in the description. Enjoy!